Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be looking at the skin modifier. For that modifier we again don't need our default cube, and I'll just shift a mesh plane, tab into edit mode and then M at center. I'll select my vertices, my single vertex, and I'll just extrude it like this. Okay, so this modifier basically works with the only vertices and edges, and basically not too much with faces. So I'll just click on start skin, and as you can see that it has created faces and mesh around it. It has a lot less options around it, and you can obviously go with symmetry if you want to, but it actually depends. Okay, before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. I don't typically use this option, and then there's the bronze smoothing option, which again really does stuff. You can smooth shade it as well, but again I recommend once you're done with this, then you can go ahead. You can obviously use it for mostly sculpting, and as you have this one, you can go into wireframe mode, select this and create more branches. And let's just say if you want a certain branch to be more thick or thin, you can click on Control A to make the branch thicker or thinner. Very useful for making trees, maybe even base meshes as well. What I don't understand is that why do I have to have a shortcut for it like Control A, and why not have the option over here, or basically give it some other option. And and also once you're done with this, you can obviously just see the final result by clicking on apply, and then you will have a proper mesh, and you can no longer obviously edit it. But you can obviously, if you have more to do, you can just Control Z and then keep on just adding more geometry to it. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.